Hello, and this is Doomsday56, and today I will be recording on how to make an exploding tree trap. So you need to start by digging a 5x5 square, 2 blocks deep, around the tree. Die sheep. Okay, that's better. Okay, so now I've dug my 5x5 square under this tree. So then I'm just gonna keep that bow in there in case some other sheep come into the scene. So you need a lever on the bottom of the tree, redstone there, and you need any type of wool block. And I'm just gonna use light blue for this, but you can use any type of wool block. Oh wait, I have an idea. I'm gonna make the sheep feel some shame. Okay, now that I have almost all of their wool, I'm gonna use the sheep's wool that I took out. The sheep that I took out, I'm gonna use their wool. Don't need your seeds. I might still need the dirt. Okay, so flip the lever on. Put blue wool blocks around the lever. I mean the redstone. Then place redstone torches on each side. These should immediately deactivate. Then, oh my, why did I do that? Now I gotta do this all over again. Okay, so place the redstone. Let's say I use that wall. Okay, so redstone torch there, torch there, torch there, torch there. All these torches that I'm placing should immediately deactivate. Then you need some TNT. And by the way, the TNT I'm using is more than enough to troll your opponent or whoever you want to troll with this. But I suggest some kind of landmark near this so you don't end up trolling yourself with this trap. So you need to cover the whole pit up. My, what went on there? I think it was my trackpad. So you need to cover the whole thing up. Okay, cover the whole thing up. Like this. Now, this tree looks absolutely and perfectly normal except for the fact that it doesn't have any grass under it. Like these trees. So you can just make it blend in by using some bone meal. Okay, so now that the tree has been blended in with its surroundings, all you need to do is wait for another player. Say a player had made their base in one of these caves here. So they walk out. Oak wood, exactly what I need. So they'd start by destroying the bottom block, like this. And hence the troll part of this, because this is when they get blown up. Craters, all that stuff. And as you can see, it does a serious amount of damage. But like I said, you don't need to do all of that. So all you need to do is like 1 or 2 blocks next to each torch, and you don't have to have as many redstone torches or the wool blocks or anything. Sorry, I just saw a cow there. Oh well. So yeah, you can just use less TNT because in survival mode you probably won't have that much TNT. So I'll use 1 or 2 blocks, and I'll see you later. Bye.